I've never been here before.
Yeah, I'm not coming here again.
And guess what? I'm not coming here again.
Holy sh**, back up there.
Yeah, I know. I've never been here, have you?
Yeah, in the car, once. Oh, look at the steepness of that.
Yeah. I thought, Barbican Beach, I've never been there, that must be good for a photo.
I don't want to be rude or anything, but this is not the best idea you've ever had.
No, I got halfway down here, I got into the Carry Arms car park bit there and thought, I ain't going to go down there, that. And I tried to turn around and I thought it's easier to come down.
Yeah, well, I met a car coming up. You, my friend, are insane.
I didn't know, I've never been here.
When you said Babbacombe Downs, I thought you meant the flat bit.
I did. I just saw the signpost there said Babbacombe, whatever it is here, beach.
Well, I'm going to take a picture of the bike now before it's on the fucking ground.
No, you'll be alright. It'll be interesting going up
Yeah, I'm going up now.
before it gets dark.
Yeah. Once it gets dark, because that looks quite slippery up there.
We'll do it. We'll go steady in first gear.
Right, I'll go up and wait. All right. I'll wait at the very top for you, and if you're not up there in 35 minutes, then I'm going home. That's got to be horrendous going up there.
Just take a wide berth. Follow me.
Right, I'm going to give it a go.